Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 7 and today I will show you how we can boot this phone into recovery mode. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications, extend the list and choose the power button from the top, or from the bottom I meant, and choose power off in here. When the phone turns off, give it like 5 to 10 seconds once the screen goes black before you start holding power key and volume down at the same time. After a moment of holding those two keys, you should be taken to bootloader. So from here, using volume keys to navigate, you want to select a recovery mode, so it's visible right here, and then confirm it with power key. Now give it a second and you should see the Android with no command, so hold power key, press volume up once, and you should be taken to recovery mode. Down here, just as before, you will use volume keys to navigate through the menu, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. And quickly going over the list of things that you have access to right here, we have reboot system now, which takes us back to Android, reboot to bootloader, which will take us back a step back, so the first menu we have entered after turning off the device. We can enter fastboot mode, apply updates from ADB or SD card, though this phone doesn't have an SD tray, so questionable. We can wipe data, factory reset the device, mount system, view logs, run tests, and power off the device. So that's all the options we have in here. So I'm now gonna select the first one, which will take me back to Android. And there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.